Hello and thank you for joining me, Joe Unwin, also known as FlowJoe, on another PowerFX video. Today we're going to be looking at the IsToday function on PowerFX. Now the IsToday function works similar to today, however it doesn't provide you with the date, it checks to see if the user's location date is correct and it's actually today. So let's, for example, take a look at this. If you write IsToday and then open the parentheses, close parentheses, that is how you use the function. But you have to actually pass in a date here. So you have to pass in a date. So if you say IsToday and then pass in a date, it will check the user's location date using the today function and compare it to the date that's actually being passed in. So how does this work then? Well, on your screen here, you can see I've got current date and I'm just using the today function to show you what date it is. Currently, it's the 9th of October, 2023 at the time of recording this. And what I've done is I've just created 3 simple labels. I've typed the 9th of October, I've typed the 1st of January, 2023, and I've typed the 10th of October 2023. So we've just got date 1, date 2 and date 3. Underneath there I've just put IsToday to check if that particular one is today's date. So in this instance I've said IsToday and I've passed in the date1.text. So this .text, which would be the 9th of October. Now obviously we know it's the 9th of October because we've got the current date here. And it's providing a true statement. So yes, today is the 9th of October 2023. But then when we get to the 1st of January 2023, I'm targeting the date2.text, I'm using the IsToday function, and it's giving me a false statement because obviously today is not the 1st of January 2023, as you can see here. And then I've also used the 10th of October for date 3. I'm using the IsToday function, targeting the date3.text, and it's also giving me a false. Now, as we transition into tomorrow, if I was to come back, let's say in 12 hours time, this would then show as true and this would show as false, because what it's doing is it's capturing my location date, comparing it to the text date that I'm passing in or date type that I'm passing in. If they match, then it's going to provide me with a true statement. If they don't match, it's going to provide me with a false. So obviously if I come back in 12 hours, it's now going to be the 10th of October and this will show as true. And this is an awesome function to use if you're wanting to verify that if, let's say in a table, something is today, or you could use it to essentially list only types that are today, anything like that. IsToday will allow you to get a true statement of if today's date matches something from a data set from somewhere, such as Dataverse, and then react to that data. And that's how easy it is to use the IsToday function on PowerFX. I look forward to seeing you on our next video, and don't forget to check out the YouTube channel for more PowerFX items. If you've got any questions, anything like that, leave a comment below. I'll see you next time.